Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make these extra delicious cookies that requires very minimal ingredients. All it requires are basic ingredients that you have in your kitchen. It's so delicious and it melts in your mouth beautifully. Let's get started. You need 100 grams of soft butter or margarine. Here's 100 grams of margarine. Then you need 100 grams of icing sugar. You can blend your normal white sugar if you don't have this icing sugar. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and add a bit of salt. If you're using salted butter or margarine, you can omit the salt completely. Then use your spatula, go ahead and mix till you get a very smooth and soft consistency, just like this. These bits and pieces you see that's a bit dark is the vanilla I added. So after mixing, go in with some vegetable oil. Here is 50 ml of vegetable oil. Go ahead and mix. Continue to mix till everything is well incorporated, everything is well combined, just like this. Then go in with 1 large egg and mix properly. Okay, you're going to mix till everything is well combined. Give it a very good mix. You want to make sure that everything is well mixed till it's very smooth like this. Go in with 300 grams of very well sifted flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and go ahead and mix properly. You're going to mix till you form a dough. So go ahead and mix properly till you form a dough just like this. So after your dough is formed, take a bit like this and then you're going to roll carefully in your hand. You're going to roll into a perfect round ball, round shape. Roll into a perfect round shape just like this and just press it down a bit, and then you're going to take your knife and you're just going to cut. Don't cut too deep, just a bit at the top to form this nice pattern just like this. Okay, so after you're done, you're just going to line your tray with a baking paper, baking sheet, and then you're going to line them all carefully inside. You need to be very careful because it's very delicate. We don't want to mess up this beautiful pattern that we've created. So be very gentle while placing them down to prevent ruining the shapes and patterns because it's really delicate and very soft. These are so beautiful. So you're going to bake in your oven for about 20 minutes. Don't bake on high heat. It doesn't take too long to bake. Bake for about 20 minutes and here is our beautiful cookies, or should I call them biscuits? They are so good. You can have them with tea. They are perfect for your kids and it literally melts in your mouth. Guys, can you see? This is absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.